some of the players no be omo Ghana say no. Omo ye very very unprofessional. Example like this player, Nuruddin, ne bi no Osina Kanema RT obi pemo Asante Kotoko no. The behavior towards Asante Kotoko no was unprofessional. Some more players na some more money team be edilia. At times no ebinum sebi ebinum mun behave professionally. So what I say, only Kotoko or contract. Now no say Kotoko up players be 20 something. No mun here team e dey about here house of folk. Na mpanimfo etimi twi tetefo. Efra abrante amfi Asante Kotoko mpanimfo. Such a disrespectful act. So what I say, unprofessionalism on the part of Nuruddin. You didn't try at all. You didn't try. Se team no company umobioa. Is that how you're supposed to behave towards the club? Kotoko uba no. Omo ye oboni bi. Omo DJ wo so. Supporters no crowd pawase. And I said at times players ni bi no omunni opepanso mbesi akadema Asante Kotoko. Omunni the love no eni ho emfama Asante Kotoko because of the what is a yasom na Kotoko and oba Kotoko abepiska, and that's all. Because a team player be a Kotoko then come as well. Behave such manner. So I say almost about first no about Kotoko, no Kotoko company full yanasa Kotoko chauka 3,000 cedis a month. And now on senior that day now omutum at the call 5,000 a month. Ni nyina no anso abrante ni. Na ya break league ni ko awiye na oku kruma. Na time aso say team ni pre-season omo game Democracy Cup against House of Folk. Na bra wama mpanimfo sa hwehwe wo so a wansa ama. So what I say, such an unprofessionalism on the part of Nuruddin. No krande e wo say o ka kire wunia. Enye se bia free no free Kotoko na ya. Ba Kotoko can do better without Nuruddin. But his behavior towards the club wasn't the best. His behavior towards the club wasn't the best. So that I say, because the material say when your contract be I sekata say hen. I say na team na wo no empese ometono every Kotoko nsem. It na brand empese Kotoko. Ti I mean say last league in ekoso no metimi bi say okaso Kotoko company for terminating the contract. Look at all this. Look at all this. Now say odoni ni homa Asante Kotoko. You are thinking about your money more than the club you are paying for, or the team na warm up that platform no. I say Kotoko penifo pa onu Kotoko penifo bet na so man chi o mu ntwa sika bi fama wo na okwa otutua dem a club no. Look at all this. Is that how you're supposed to do? Kotoko be for free RT, you know. Sana Kotoko for e dey RT for. And I say omodi you as a player and agent. Is that how they did? So what I say, na enunti or say Asante Kotoko. Say team be o make must sell career. Omo terminate contract. And answer was Kopumu say o contract nbekọ wie. We see wanya mpanimfo terminate the contract. They want say abrante no. Yesu otu kwan. Such a character. Is that how you're supposed to behave as a player? Yade a okwa yebebo odimpa. Team no di akomapa beja wo kwan. Because kona okono behavior na wo sha ase ni tina makoto company for terminate contract. Enye bibia nti because na nyom so terminate contract. Because of say your behavior towards them no tina hu be hia say o say amu terminate contract then ofa no way. Not player only team or contract and I say club be or contract more contract. Na okotena okrum bebo match mati club now wo si dabi me nursing near that day. Unum say woni ji won nursing na one tan kotoko be fa no one tan wo tamale ho no mo anka se be na ji me nursing hunti no me ti me sia ka ma fa ma asante kotoko. Such an unprofessionalism on the part of Nuruddin. Truth must be told. He didn't try at all. He didn't try. You see, penifone na wi. Nti onko timu no ewo ho. Hedia timu no ye be kon ko enim. Be na wase, suma team makramo. Papa.